distributors na nakapunta na sa office, I think kahapon or last night, may nakita kayong bago sa 3rd floor. Diba, yes kagad, di pa alam eh. Are you ready with your PowerPoint? Ayan guys, ang bilis ha. Ang bilis eh. Hey guys, we're launching something new. We call it the AIM Timekeepers. What is this? It's a watch exclusively made for AIM Global by Swatch. Okay, it has two designs. Okay, it's very cool, it's very casual. Sabi nga ni Jordan kanina, with our business, we need to innovate. We need to become creative. Okay? The good thing is that some of the companies ginagaya tayo, so hindi malabo after a few months, baka may ganyan din sila. Pero the good thing, sino nauna?
Tayo!
Tayo nauna, guys. For some of you na medyo nagsasawa sa product GC, wala lang. Okay? We'll be coming up with criteria. Pwedeng ipalit yung GC dito. Kinukumpit pa namin kung ilan. Okay? Mga uplines. Pwede kayong kumuha ng marami pag regalo nyo sa mga leaders nyo. Okay? Yung isang design, excited kagad. Yung isang design may nakalagay na happiness, prosperity, abundance, wealth, skills. So you're attracting. Yung iba excited talaga eh. By the way, ipapalit ko ganyan kalaki ha. Kaya pag pinagtanong Brad and Boss, sandali mo. Ilalabas mo ganyan kalaki. Okay? We have two designs. Both has happiness, dreamers are believers, hashtag wealth, hashtag prosperity, hashtag love, and mga skills, wealth, success, abundance. So this time around, you're wearing it. Suot-suot mo na. So dapat maramdam mo na yan. Diba? It's time na maramdaman mo yung success. It's time maramdaman mo yung wealth, yung abundance, yung prosperity. So every time you have an appointment, pagtingin mo sarili mo, it's reminding you how to create wealth through alliance in Motion Global. Okay po ba yun? We have some model mo. Nakalagay sa office yan. Okay, very casual, very chic. Ayaw. Ayaw eh. Ayan. Okay? Guys, the good thing here, it doesn't only come with a watch. We're creating some sort of a club. Okay? Pag nag-avail kayo nito, may catalog na kasama to, may mga dedication ng board of directors. Okay? We're giving our time to you. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Pag nag-avail kayo nito, meron kaming gagawin na kunwari, breakfast with Doc Ed. Lunch with Sir Francis Miguel. Siyempre, yung pinakamahal, dinner with John Aspinall. Tapos gano'n pa, honeymoon with Georgian. Mas malakas yung honeymoon eh. Biro yan. Meaning, guys, kapag member ka ng Timekeepers Club, meron ka mga benefits, kunwari kapag events, nasa harapan ka. Okay mo ba yun? Siyempre pag events, suot mo yan, yung nag-pass mo, bukod sa may ticket ka na, okay, siyempre bibili ka ng ticket, okay. Ano kayo, Timekeepers Club ako, sa harapan ako uupo. Okay po ba yun?
Yes.
So, hindi lang siya yung worst, it's not only the watch, may mga privileges pa na i-roll out namin. Okay? Siyempre si Francis Miguel, mentors of all mentor, meron time to mentor. Okay? Time for mentorship. Si John, Mr. Excited, meron time to motivate you guys, to inspire, to get you excited. For me, time for you to really see the vision of the company. Ilang years pa ba tayo? 5 years pa ba? 5 years na lang? 10 years pa ba? 10 years na lang? There's a time for question and answer, time for mentoring, so that the skills will be developed for you guys who would avail of this package ng Timekeepers Club. Excited ka ba rito? Mag-ipon-ipon ka na ng GC mo para by next year, nakaganto ka. Sa mga uplines na maraming GC, mangolekta na. Next. Okay na. Nangangawit na yata kayo. Babaan nyo na. Are you excited with AIM World? Guys, just to remind you, with AIM World, ayan, yung suggested retail price, sige, back natin, pare ko. Ayan. Ng iProtect, okay, is 2,200. Remember, the iProtect, the value and the effectivity of the iProtect product is good for 2 months. So the suggested retail price is 2,200. Distributor's price is 1,600 pesos. Meron siyang commission points na 500. 30 repeat binary points and 0.3 positional points. Okay? This is good for 2 months. Our next product with CareLift na may 20 patches. May similar company, 15 patches lang. Napakamahal tayo, 20 patches at mas mura. 1,800. Suggested retail price, 1,300 ang distributor's price, commissional points is 400, repeat binary points is 25, positional points is 0.25. Now, yung ating NPP, I know medyo bombarded na kayo with NPP. Next. Pare ko, next mo na lang. Ayan. Ang NPP may dalawang iProtect. You have a free necklace that comes with it. Asa na ba yung sample yan? Elaine? Okay. 3,200 may free necklace, 1,300 CareLift, so 4,500 pesos. Ano ang itsura niyan? Guys, company ang magdi-deliver door-to-door in 200 countries worldwide. Okay? So ang itsura niya, we have a wonderful box like this. Leather box, may tatak ng iProtect. Pagbukas mo, ayan, nandiyan dyan yung sachet of iProtect, nandiyan yung necklace, then may brochure sa loob. Also, the CareLift product that we have looks like this. Yung prototype na product, very chic, very shabby. Ang nipis, pwede i-deliver door-to-door talaga in 200 countries. It also comes with a brochure, a very nice brochure. Okay guys, at this point, I'd like to give you some samples of our patch. Lalo na yung medyo may sakit sa likod. Sige, pamigay na natin. Yung mga walang sakit, suntukin yung katabi nyo para sumakit. Guys, ano lang to? 50 lang to.
May bakal na ito na bakal.
50 lang.
Masakit ang likod ko.
Shara talaga oh, laging binubugbog si Japs oh.
What you can do, pwede yung gupitin yan. Gawin yung parang bangin. Sobrang liit na yan.
Ay, pao. Gandang.
Sa patch, nakalagay yung logo ng AIM World. Nakalagay yung logo ng CareLift.
Wala eh. May click alis ko eh. Ayun pala siya.
Wala na, nagkagulo na. Bisa sinapak ito. Guys, remember, the ingredients of CareLift, it has Korean ginseng. Kaya pag inamin nyo, medyo amoy ginseng. It has nano diamond technology. It has silver ions. It has St. John's wort. It has capsaicin, turmeric. Okay?
Amoy na.
9 ingredients. So guys, remember, within the next few days, we'll be giving you instructions. Listen up. We'll give you instructions how to pay or how to purchase the NPP. Remember, the NPP is just the first stage. Next natin, Marigo. The NPP is just the initial stage. Next, the final stage is the global pack. We'll be coming up with a global pack na may lamang iProtect, necklace, at CareLift. Ito yung global pack with 1,200 points that the company will deliver in 200 countries worldwide. So therefore, you need to buy the NPP. Later, you will realize why. Ayaw talaga, brother. Ayan. And this is your family tree. Meron kang 150 downlines sa left, 2,000 downlines sa right. Probably naka 3 heads, 1 head, or 7 head ka. Guys, all you need to do is just to buy one. Ayaw, one NPP at 4,500 pesos. Company will deliver door-to-door kung yung downlines mo na sa ibang bansa. Kami magdi-deliver door-to-door in 200 countries worldwide. And then your account with AIM World, aimworld.today will be activated. It will appear like a mirror-like movement or mirror-like reflection. Pag gumagalaw sa AIM Global, gumagalaw din sa AIM World. Pag gumagalaw sa AIM World, gumagalaw din yung AIM Global account mo. So dalawa na yung account mo. Okay po ba yun? encashment, ganun din. Pag nag-encash ka sa AIM Global, nababawasan yung sa AIM World. Baka isipin mo, nag-encash ka ng 100,000 sa AIM Global, pero hindi pa nababawas sa AIM World, encash din natin dito. Okay? Similarly, it will move the same. And you can build and sponsor your organization in 200 countries worldwide. So now you think, from 13 countries to 200 countries in a snap. Maganda o napakaganda? Excited ka na ba? Yes! Promote this. I know you've been promoting this. Ang dami nang nag-Viber, WeChat sa akin, nag-PM na, Do, kailan ba talaga? Kailan ba talaga? Continue on promoting it. You want to build momentum. Later, you will understand why. Next. Now, I'd like to proceed to my topic, MLM Network Branding. Everybody say branding. Branding is so important in marketing. Okay? May mga ibang branding guru naniningil ng $1,000 on a seminar, 1 day, 2 days, just to give you the importance of branding and how to create branding itself for your network. Branding is not only for product, branding is not only for the company, branding is also important for sales network. Tulad ng meron kayo ngayon, palaking sales network. Next. So how do we create branding? Number one, create a group. Pangalan ng grupo mo, maraming pangalan ng grupo. Can I hear the name of your group? Ayan, siyempre sabay-sabay, wala ka naintindihan. So iba-iba yan. Varying numbers. May iba, 10 pa lang, may pangalan agad yung grupo. May iba, 100, may iba, 1,000. May iba talaga nasa ibang bansa na, may iba organization, empire na. Iba-iba pangalan. Hindi ko nababanggitin lahat because I know, if not all, but probably most of you has a group already of its own. So create a group. Kung wala pa by this time, bago matapos ang taon, mag-create kayo ng pangalan ng grupo mo. Am I clear? Next. Create a Facebook account ng grupo mo. Para yung grupo mo, doon nakakakuha ng updates, ng galaw ng grupo mo, ng activities, ng events ng grupo mo. Doc, what do you mean events? Yes, bukod sa ang company may events, your group also has an event. Tama o tama? Minsan nga yung grupo nyo may sariling Thanksgiving party. Tama o tama? Grupo nyo may sariling team building, may sariling leadership summit. Why? It's important to create the branding for the group. Because there will come a time, listen to this, there will come a time, kapag ikaw nag-present sa prospect ng AIM Global, alam na nila. Tama o tama? Sabi nila, oo, narinig ko na yan. At ang feedback, maganda o positive. I've heard of it already from a Facebook account or I'm seeing some of the blogs or video marketing. Okay daw yung AIM Global, parang narinig ko na yan. Probably referral ng friends or classmates from way back then. So how will you sell the company kung alam nila yung company? Guys, you need to sell your group. You need to sell your group. Later, you will understand why. Next. What do you need to do? Create a simple website. Pictures ng grupo nyo, logo ng grupo nyo, events ng grupo nyo, ano meron sa grupo nyo, sino founder yan. It's important in branding your group because people will join your group. The people doesn't join any company nor the product. They will join the group because they feel comfortable with you. They feel comfortable with your group's mission, with your group's vision. Okay ako sumali sa grupo nito kasi puro bata sila eh, bata ako. Sali ako dito. Kasi yung plataforma nila sa grupo nila, like this and like that. I feel comfortable with their strategies. I want to join their group. Alam na nila na sa AIM Global, pag sumali, kikita. Mamimili na lang sila kung kaninong grupo. Now, that's where branding would come in. Next, this is the most important. Create a program. Everybody say program. Ano yung program? These are special events ng group na ginagawa to keep the momentum. If the company has 4 stages, ang grupo may 4 stages din yan. May concentration din yan, may momentum din yan, may stability din yan. Dok, ano ba yung mga events sa grupo or program? We have the most common, next, power of 2 o yung 2x2 duplication. Pamilyar po ba? Yan yung pinaka-basic na program. Pagkasali ng tao, what if kumuha ka ng 2? Tapos yung dalawa, nakakuha ng dalawa. Tapos yung dalawa, nakakuha ng dalawa, nakakuha ng dalawa. Yun na yun. Simple program that every now and then, you would remind your newly sponsored distributor or members to follow through, to follow up, to duplicate by 2 by 2. Am I clear? May other group, ito papakalanan ko na, may other group, ang tawag nila next, 4 by 4 duplication, yung Knights Alliance. May Knights Alliance ba rito? Ayan, nawala na. Nakapalawan yan. Okay? Pinopromote naman nila 4 by 4 duplication. Next. Meron naman J-Link Project. May J-Link Project ba dito? Ayan, nasin na yata. In fact, ang J-Link Project for the past few Thursdays, am I right? For the past, I think 3 months, Thursdays sa office nila ginagawa, around 10, 11, 12, hanggang madaling araw. They created some sort of an academy, may graduation, na doon ka mahuhook. Alam nila, kikita ka na sa Global eh. Other than that, saan pa ako sasali? J-Link Project. There's another group called next, 100-day program by Team Upline. May Team Upline na rito. Ayan, gutom no. Okay? Why do we need this? You need this to give your group a clear vision. Alam nila yun, pag sumali sa inyo, magkikita. Anong gagawin? It's to help your downlines be more focused. To help your downlines be more goal-oriented. Next, meron pang another group called Multiply. Ina-play before to ng Eagles Alliance. Can I hear the sounds of Eagles Alliance? Yeah, kumain na yung agila. Okay, next. Meron naman offline and online academy. Usong-uso yan. Sasabihin nila, oh, okay ito, tao-tao. Pero pag wala ka ng kausap na tao, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock na madaling araw, ano gagawin? Online na. Sino yung kakusapin mo? Facebook, WeChat, Viber, Line, PM, Skype, yan na. Diyan na tinuturo. Sabi nila, ibang grupo, walang ganyan. Tayo lang may ganyan. So, it makes your group exclusive with this particular program. Next, may iba naman FB marketing. May Unicorn Alliance ba dyan? Madaming nakain lugaw. Okay, very effective. Okay, tama ba yung data ko? Last year, 2014, ang balita ko, may 100 domestic helper sa Hong Kong pinag-retire ng Unicorn Alliance sa Pilipinas kung yun. Tama ba? Tama? Parang wala. It's true. Basing on this strategy, Facebook marketing. Kaya nga nakakatawa yung yung mga testimonies nila, kaka-Facebook ko, nag-retire na ako for good sa Pilipinas. May other groups called 3 Easy Steps, may All-Stars. Parang 3 lang sila. Kasi madali lang. Di ba nakakatawa, ang All-Stars, nakakarating na kung saan-saan mga bansa. Di ba? So, may strategy sila. Alam na naman, online lang ginagamit, pero nire-rebrand nila ng konti, tinitweet ng konti, catchy. So ikaw, pag nakita mo, do you want to learn about the 3 easy steps? How to make money online? Walang binabanggit na global. Ang binabanggit, 3 easy steps. But it's getting your prospects hooked up with the program or the system of your group. Malalaman mo, global pala. After na sumali ka na. Next. Then meron pang online and video marketing ng Big 3. From what I've seen, tama na. From what I've seen, gumagastos pa sila ng videos. Isipin mo, nagkaroon sila ng, 5-minute OPP. Isipin mo, 5 minutes na OPP lang. May nakita pa ako parang 4 minutes na NDO. Okay? Okay, tatalon ha? Okay, tatalon. So what does it mean? These are very, very essential to your group. Kasi there will come a time, narinig ko na yung global. Ano pa yung offer mo? Sa grupo namin, may ganito, may ganito. Next, meron pa akong nabalitaan sa Jensen ITAP, may Complete Alliance. Ang founder niya si DM Ebora. So gumagawa ng sarili nilang strategy as a plus factor sa grupo nila when you join in global. Now, this is very, very important. Why? Because the company is already at the momentum stage. Sabi nga ni Jurgen Gonzalez, this is the best time na mag-sponsor ng tao. May nababalitaan na sila. Meron na sila nababalitaan positive vibes, positive blogs, positive comments on so many presence natin online at offline. So this is one thing that could add on to people's decision to join your group. Not only to join the company, but to join your group specifically. Madali lang po yan. Pwede kayo mag-tweak ng konting program, tawagin mo ng kakaibang tawag to catch the interest of the prospect and name it after your group. Make it exclusive sa grupo mo para at least may sarili kang branding. Am I clear? Yes. So dun sa mga may grupo na, good news, you're on the right track. Dun sa mga may program na, good news, you're on the right track. Keep it up. Kaya tuloy niyo yan. Dun sa mga wala pa, it's high time to create a group. Dun sa mga wala, may grupo na, wala pang program, it's high time to create one. Okay? Alam ko yung ibang grupo na hindi ko nabanggit, may mga sarili silang program. Okay? So, inunahan ko na kayo na yun na lang muna pinalagay ko sa slides because you guys, you have so many groups, hindi na magkakasa sa slide. Ito yung binanggit kanina ni Jurgen. 4 stages. Everybody say 4 stages. 4 stages of MLM growth. Okay? Sabi niya kanina, we are already at the beginning of the momentum stage. Guys, this is with AIM Global. Within the next few weeks, we are officially launching AIM World in 200 countries worldwide. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Doc, anong ibig sabihin nun? Within the next few days, ilo-launch na natin officially, magdi-deliver na door-to-door in 200 countries, credit card payment online. Ano ibig sabihin nun? If with AIM World with 200 countries and with AIM Global with 13 countries, nasa na ba talaga tayo? Next. If that is AIM Global, with AIM World, we are at this stage. Nasa formulation pa lang tayo. What does it mean? Within the next few years, we'll be finishing our formulation stage with AIM World. Pupunta ngayon sa concentration. In countries where we have never built our networks before, Russia, Brazil, Argentina, China, India. Na-excite ka ba doon? India, 1.2 billion population. China, another 1.2 billion population. Indonesia, 260 million population. Guys, we have 7 billion population all over the world. And that 7 billion is our world market. After a few years, guys, magmo-momentum ang AIM World. Online. Magkakaroon tayo ng mga video conferencing, makakita ka, ibang lahi, ibang dialect, ibang language, nagte-testimony about AIM World, kumita ng malaki, nakatulong sa kalusugan. Things like that. It started with a dream, with a vision before, parang laro-laro lang. Became a reality with AIM Global, ibang lahi, sumasali, Pakistani, Nigerians, Kenyans, Ugandans, Ghanaians, taga-Ivory Coast, di ba? Singaporeans, Malaysians, people from the Middle East, iba't ibang lahi sumasali na with AIM Global. Kung sa AIM Global na-attract sila, founded with stability, founded with integrity and credibility and innovation, AIM World, back up by AIM Global, definitely they'll be interested. Tama ka tama? So when we fully launch these guys, a few years from today, sabi nga ni Jurgen kanina, pwedeng madoble, matriple yung income nyo. Guys, what more with 200 countries na market natin? Hindi malaki o napakalaki yung market? It's so huge. We still have so many years to go on with AIM World. Why? 200 countries. 200 countries. Philippines nga lang. Sa village mo lang, I'm sure marami pang hindi nakakaalam ng AIM Global. Tama o tama? Philippines pa lang yun. What more if we talk about 200 countries worldwide? Next. Magkakaroon din nga ng momentum, stability. Can you imagine 200 countries? Gano'ng kadami yan? Let's show them. Gano'ng kadaming bansa yan? And we're just here. We're just here in that red dot. So pag may nagtatanong doon, ilang years pa ba? Ilang years pa ba ang AIM Global? When you see this graph, matagal na tayo magsasamang lahat. We're coming up with more innovation. We're coming up with newer products, biotechnology products, and that's the name of the game. Biotechnology. Kaya ngayon mga products natin with Careleaf Nano Diamond Technology, the first patch in the world na may Nano Diamond Technology. Yung eye protect natin, naka-triple patent, double patent sa US, naka-patent din sa Japan. We have world-class product that we can offer not only to Filipinos abroad, but to foreigners of any race there is in this particular world. Guys, we are here. Nagsisimula pa lang tayo sa AIM World. With AIM Global, we're just barely on momentum. So napakadami pa natin taong magsasama, producing more silver executives, producing more gold and global ambassadors, producing more Millionaires Club members in your networks. Excited ka ba? Next, I'd like you to live with this. You can't go back and change the past. Past is past. Okay, your mistakes from the past, your experiences, you can never change it at all. But you can learn from that. Everybody say learn. Learn. You can learn from your past. You can learn from your mistakes. But you can start now and change the future. Guys, ang dami namin ginagawa to give you a better bridge. We're creating a better bridge so that you can travel and achieve your goals faster. And I hope to see you guys in all of your dreams with AIM Global and AIM World. Thank you very much.
Yeah!